sometimes things happen. Promethean understands and offers 2 warranty plans for added peace of mind. Active Care Standard is our basic warranty offering automatically provided for all Promethean products. If your product needs to be replaced, after troubleshooting with Promethean technical support, we will process a warranty replacement called Return for Repair. You will need to return the faulty product to Promethean before a replacement will be shipped. You will also be responsible for any costs associated with returning the product. Active Care Plus is our premium warranty you may purchase to enhance your standard support options. It includes the toll-free telephone number to our world-class global technical support team and priority in the phone queue as long as you register your products. Product registration is quick, simple, and essential for painting an accurate picture of your warranty situation. A product's warranty begins when the product ships to protect it during transit. When you register the product, the warranty start date changes from the ship date to the installation date to give it accurate coverage. Product registration also activates any premium services you may have purchased, such as advanced replacement cover or on-site support. With advanced replacement cover, after troubleshooting with our technical support team, if your product needs to be replaced, Promethean will ship a replacement before receiving a return. This enhancement helps to reduce downtime. We may also send a return label for smaller items and schedule a pickup for larger items. On-site support is the same as advanced replacement with one addition. When a replacement is shipped, we will arrange for a certified technician to install the product for you. For more information about our warranty options, please visit our support portal. Thank you for watching.